In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dark mode on Google Slides. So recently, Google Slides did an update where you can enable dark mode without having to enable dark mode on your whole phone. So I'll show you how it works. All you need to do is launch up Google Slides. And as you can see, it's just in the regular light theme. So if I tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top left, and then I tap on settings, I can go ahead and choose my theme at the top. So I tap on choose theme, and I can go ahead and select dark at the top. Now Google Slides is in the dark mode, and I can go ahead and use it in dark mode. So this is cool if you're running an older version of a phone that it doesn't allow you to enable dark mode across your whole entire phone. You can just enable it for Google Slides. So that is how you enable dark mode on Google Slides on mobile. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.